So this is a very important question. It's in this question we have to determine the minimum number of JK flip-flops required to construct synchronous counter, and we are given two count sequences 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. So let's take the first sequence 1 1 1. 1 is 4 times, then 2 is 3 times, then 3 is 2 times, then 4. Now what most students do mistake is that they think that to decode 4 we need 3 flip-flops. So QA, QB, QC. So 1 will be represented by 0 0 1. Then 2 will be represented as 0 1 0. Then 3 as 0 1 1. And 4 as 1 0 0. But the problem with this approach is that there is no clear transition between the states. So if 0 0 1 is the state, then the next state is also 0 0 1, then the next state is also 0 0 1, then the next state is also 0 0 1, and then the next state is 0 1 0. So 0 0 1 is repeating 4 times, and then the next state is 0 1 0. Then 0 1 0 is repeating 3 times, and after 3 times of its repetition the next state is 0 1 1. Then after 2 times of its repetition the next state is 1 0 0. So the designing we have the problem is that these states are repeating 4 times, then this state is repeating 3 times, then this state is repeating 2 times. So if we use 3 flip-flops, then we can't determine whether one is repeating 4 times or 3 times or 2 times. By this state diagram we cannot tell whether one is repeating 1 time or 2 time or 3 time or 4 time. So what we need to do is we need to use 2 additional flip-flops. So when we use 2 additional flip-flops, why we are using 2 additional flip-flops? Because one is repeating 4 times. So to differentiate between these 4 states we are using 2 additional flip-flops. So for this first we use 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0, then 1 1. Now again 2 is repeating 3 times, so again we differentiate these 3 using 0 0 0 1 and 1 0. Then 3 is repeating 2 times, so we use 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 and 0 1. 4 is just 1 time, so it's 0 0. Now there is a very clear transition. Now the transition between the states is very clear. The transition between the states is very clear, or the states we can say are very clearly defined. That the first state is 0 0 1 0 0, then the next state is, this is the first state, then this is the second state, then this is the third state, 0 0 1 1 0, then 0 0 1 1 1 is the fourth state, then 0 1 0 0 0 is the fifth state, then this is the sixth state, then this is seventh, this is 8th, this is 9th, and finally this is the 10th state. So we know that if we are in the state 0 0 1 1 0, then the next state will be 0 0 1 1 1. So now the flip-flops, the transition is very clearly defined. So we have to use 5 flip-flops, and when we are designing, then for the output we will use only these 3 flip-flops. So when it is 0 0 1, then we know that it is 1. When it is 0 1 0, then it is 2. We are using these 2 flip-flops just for the clear transition of our states. So the minimum number of JK flip-flops required to construct this is 5. And for this also we will use 5. Now we are coming to the second sequence 1 2 2 3. 3 is repeating 3 times, then 4 is repeating 4 times. So again for 1 0 0 1 and 0 0. Then for 2, 0 1 0 0 1 0, and for to differentiate between these two we are using 0 0 and 0 1 as two additional flip-flops. Then for 3 we are using 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, and to differentiate between these three we are using 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 as the additional states of the two flip-flops. Then for 4 we are using 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. Then for differentiating between these four states we are using two additional states 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now the state transition is very clearly defined. This is the first, this is second, this is third, fourth, this is fifth, sixth, seventh, this is eighth, this is ninth, and finally this is the 10th state. So this is why we have to use again 5 flip-flops in this sequence as well. Again for the output we will only use, we will only consider these 3 flip-flops. These 2 flip-flops are only used to differentiate between the repetition of the any number. So this is how we need 5 flip-flops for these two transitions. Now there is question for you for practice at home, that how many flip-flops are we need to use if we have to construct with this sequence 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3. So for comment the answer of this in the comment box, and if you have any doubt also then you can comment in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.